They have a tram. You've got a line now to go through security, and they can just scan your bags and tell you if you need to stop. When you first enter the park, you enter Christmas. When I exited, this area was pretty empty, so if you wanted to wait until you exit to get your photos, that might be a good idea. Just past Christmas is 4th of July land. Holiday World does have a magic show.
Good afternoon, and welcome to Holiday World and Splashin Safari's 80th anniversary season. Today, we are proud to present the very fun, wild, and wacky magic show. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is his 14th year being a part of our entertainment lineup. Please welcome Don Baggett.
All right, good afternoon, everybody. How are you? Good to see you, folks. Hey, folks, let me ask you something. You guys ready to have a little bit of fun this afternoon? All right, let's go to work. Good to see everybody. Hey, folks, meet Dakota.
Taking over.
That ain't happening.
So now it's for next year. I spent most of my time at the water park because the heat index was like 104 that day, so it was really hot. They have large lockers and small lockers. I got a large locker. On a peak day, it was $30 for an all-day rental. The locker rental used to be separate from the lockers, and now it's right in the locker section. So they changed this to a charging station. I thought that was really nice. This is the free sunblock that they offer. It's found throughout the park. This was all the people waiting for the water park to open. This is the tubes for the tube slides. They did have different speeds on the slides. Free soda! Free soda! Oh, this is the cup that they provide for your free soda, and they have a lot to choose from. I think I'm gonna get some cherry Pepsi. They had a little children's area, and then next to that they had a wave pool with the biggest waves that I've ever seen in a wave pool. The Mammoth is their water coaster that they have. They do have a single rider line. I walked right on the single rider line. I didn't get to ride the Cheetah Chase because I saw a sign that said no single riders, and I was by myself, so I didn't know if they would put you with anybody or not. They have a really nice lazy river that you have to go across the bridge to get to it. And they also have a second wave pool. They even have a smoking and vaping area for people that smoke or vape. I was getting hungry, so I decided to leave the water park and go to Thanksgiving to eat my favorite meal at the Plymouth Rock Cafe. I got a traditional turkey meal. Came with 3 sides. It's an adult meal, and it was $22 and some change. Decided to ride the gobbler after that. It's a little shooting game that you shoot the turkeys. After that, I headed to the new coaster that is from last year, Good Gravy.
That was the door. It was Louise opening. Bless your heart.
The scenes from inside the queue were kind of strange. I don't know. It had like bathroom scenes and living room scenes and everything. I guess you're gonna chill out after you eat your turkey in the living room and then go to the bathroom because you've ate. I don't know. All these gravy boats.
Thanks for helping Grandma Gracie your good grade. Be sure to leave your bags and loose particles on the ship.
I walked right on 4th of July. It was right next to the Good Gravy ride. We made it to Halloween Land. So I sat down here at 6 p.m. to watch the 6:30 show, and that's when the storms decided to roll in and they canceled the show because of lightning. This is the wooden coaster that you can see at the front of the park. And back in Christmas Land at the front of the park. Everything closed for over 90 minutes because of the lightning in the area. So they did activate their worry-free guarantee that you can use your ticket for another day. So I've decided I'm going to try to go back in the fall. But I decided to go ahead and eat dinner, and then I went over to where the drone and fireworks show was supposed to be happening. And they also had a dance party happening right before the show. Just 5 minutes before the show was supposed to happen, they announced that the drones could not happen due to the weather, and they said they were only going to do the fireworks. And I think it was only like 2 minutes long because I think they just used the fireworks that they were planning on doing with the drones that night. After the fireworks were over, the park was closed and it was time to go. I headed off to my hotel that was in Jasper, Indiana at the Hampton Inn.
From Fargo to Bemidji, you see them around International Falls. These weakening pretty dramatically through the overnight hours. We will see it.
Enjoyed the hot tub for a while before checking out. It was a nice hotel and I would stay again.